If 1,000 people visited your website right now and you only got one sign up, wouldn't you be disappointed? In this video, I'm going to break down how to increase conversion rates so you get 17% more visitors to leads. Hey there, my name's Brad Smith, owner of AutomationLinks, and in these videos, I break down the exact system we're doing for our company, AutomationLinks, in hopes that you follow it. We're trying to scale from 3 million to 10 million a year. And if you're a business owner, a chief marketing officer, or somebody that really needs to scale their clients' accounts, this video is for you. I'm going to give you that full system. If you want the full system, just comment system down below and somebody from my team will send it over. Let's not wait any longer. Let's dive in. All right, so this is our sales system. If you watch any of our other videos, you see that we break it into 3 parts. Part number 1 is attract. That's where you attract the clients. I post videos on Monday about this, how to do social media, how to do ads, how to get SEO. Wednesdays is all about conversions, the landing page where you need to send your traffic to, the upsell you need to have them go to, and then how to get them actually onboarded using automation. But it doesn't just stop there, because when most people come to your site, like I said, 1,000 people will come to your site, but only 1 may sign up. That's an average website there. You want to be able to follow up with them with the automated emails here, and also those retargeting pixels. And that's what we're going to break it down today. I see a lot of businesses fall short by just having the attract in place. So they're attracting to the leads, they're getting them to their website here, and then they allow them to leave and just disappear. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to actually have a good landing page. So this is the landing page we see getting the highest conversion rates out of any other page we've ever tested. When somebody comes to this site, we focus on 3 important things: copywriting, making it about their pain points with the copywriting, showing them examples of exactly what they're going to get to make them want to get it, and then giving them a quick solution. So we're allowing them to talk about themselves and talk about their brand here. They click activate the system, and it actually creates a marketing example for them to get them excited about automating their marketing. And all of a sudden, they have instant results that they can get signed up with. Now, as soon as they hit this page, our pixel tracks them so we can follow up. Now, if I head over to my Facebook Events Manager, when you run retargeting ads, you're really only able to retarget about 40 to 50% of those people that hit your site. Think about when you first signed up for your Facebook ad account or your Facebook account. It was 15, 20 years ago maybe, right? So that's a different email address than you're using now. So you need to use other softwares, which I'll show you today, to make sure that this percentage goes up to 80, 90, even closer to 100% that you could actually retarget. All right, now that you are setting up the retargeting, you need to collect their email address. So right here, we always set up a system to get their name and email before they get to the price. Now they're going to see our upsell. We give 50% off our entire software and community their first month, and then we can ask for the payment. Now, if they don't give the payment here, that's okay. They're not ready yet anyways, because now I know that they're going to start getting those automated emails from step 1. They're going to start seeing our ads on every platform, and that's how we're going to build that relationship and get working with them. Now, some people want to just see this. We tested long pages for short pages, and what we found is some people want to just see this first part. Give me the system. I want to see what it's all about. Some people like to keep scrolling and see this and see this. So now we're showing them reviews, we're showing them case studies, we're showing them every single thing that they're going to get. So think about it for your business or brand you're working on. Are you going to show on your landing page the copywriting? Is it all about them and their pain points? Is it showing them an example of what they're going to get if they buy from you? And is it backing it up with case studies, reviews, and social posts? I've seen everything I want. I always have a call to action to get started. So if we go back to our sales funnel here, what we want to do is say, all right, let's get them to this page. Now, I used to think that we needed a landing page to give them something free right away. And I found that you're doing your marketing, your selling on these channels, on AI, ChatGPT, on social media, on your ads. So when they get to this page, just show them the price and let them buy. Some people are just ready to buy right away. You don't always have to give them something for free. You can give them something for free in the DMs over here. And then from there, you can offer that upsell. Now, once they hit that page, we need to retarget them on every platform. So what we recommend is retargeting them on X, on LinkedIn, on Facebook, on Instagram, even on YouTube. We even have retargeting ads on YouTube. So now they see your business as an expert, as an authority in the space. They're starting to trust you. They're starting to like you. They're starting to see you as a bigger company than maybe what you are. And then from there, what we want to do is start sending them automated emails here, and even SMS if you can, if you have a chance to send SMS. So let's head over to that next, and I'll show you how to do that. Now I'm going to show you in a minute how we actually write these emails. We use AI, but our brand voice to actually write these. But what you need to do is make this all about them and finding out more about them. The goal is to welcome them, ask questions about them, provide value, educate them the best that you can. From there, you want to make sure you say, hey, don't forget to come back and finish your checkout. Don't forget to follow us on social media. So we've got 24 of these templates that you can actually come and choose from. And in this system, it allows you to write based on other copywriters that are experts in the field. And what we want to do is send this about 6 to 8 emails over a course of 2 weeks, all about building that relationship with them. And if we head back to our marketing map, you're going to be able to see that right here. So you're going to see step 1, we need to send that email right away. Step 2, send an email the next day. Step 3, send an email 2 days later. Step 4, send an email 2 days after that. Step 5, send one more email with a video to try to get them to join. That's super key there to make sure that you're following up. Now, like I promised, we want to head over to our website. You can see in the head HTML, you always want to make sure you've got your Google Tag Manager set up. Now, if you add a bunch of pixel codes from Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, and X, it's going to slow down your website a little bit. So in this head HTML, we put all of those codes in a Google Tag Manager. I head over to Tag Manager and look at my tags. You're going to see that I've got things like live chat in here, my pixel for Facebook, my pixel for Google Analytics, my pixel for LinkedIn, my pixel for Twitter, for TikTok. All of these pixels are in here. So that way, anytime somebody hits that landing page, it automatically will retarget them and those ads are in place. Now, even if you're not ready to run ads yet, have this in place so you can start tracking and getting pixel conversions right away, so you can always go follow up with those visitors later. Another thing we offer and we want to recommend is using something called Data Shopper. Data Shopper tracks all of those people that come to your site, but it also picks up their original email addresses. And when you go over to integrations here, you can go integrate that with your Facebook and your Google. So it'll actually push all of those leads back in. And that's where it makes your pixel 90% accurate. You can connect it with Go High Level, your HubSpot, Facebook, and Google. That way you can know for sure you're retargeting everyone properly, building that relationship with them, and providing value. Okay, last but not least, what we do is we go over to our chatbot here and we say, hey, we need help writing our social media. We also need help creating the emails. We need help with our text messages, our ad copy, our ads, and our videos. So what we do is we go and we use some of the best copywriters in the world. We choose from them how they're trained based on their copywriting styles, or you can train your AI on your brand voice and use that so it knows everything about you and your brand. And what that's going to do is it's going to head over and it's going to add all your social media channels and it's going to add it to your marketing system so you can truly automate your marketing. And this is really how you're going to be able to scale. Like I said from the beginning, if you're only doing a couple social channels, and you're pushing them to one landing page and that's it, you're really missing out on about 80% of scale for your business. You're probably spending too much money on ads and you're probably doing marketing that isn't moving the needle. You really need this system right here to ensure everyone gets followed up with, you build a relationship, and they come back and remember you. My next video is going to be talking about the follow-up and actually getting people based on ChatGPT search results, getting them to refer friends, getting them to leave reviews. That's going to be super important once you get somebody to raise their hand and say they're interested. So I hope this video brought you value. And like I said, if you want this full system, comment system down below. Somebody from my team will send it over. And thanks for watching. If it brought you any value, it'd be awesome if you subscribe to my channel right here. If you want to see that video I posted on Monday, you can check that out here as well. Thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you on the next one.